Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue lesson 6, the nouns and kinds of nouns. Last day we studied about that there are 5 kinds of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. Hope you have read your lesson properly till here. Now see, just like your class, we can divide your class in many ways. First of all, we can divide your class roll number wise, 1 to 30, then 31 to 50, or we can classify your class in division of boys and girls. In the same way, we can divide nouns in different ways. First, we have studied the classification in the 5 kinds of nouns. Now the same nouns can be divided in another way, which is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Don't mix this with those classification. वो अलग हैं और ये अलग हैं. Now look at page 23. Here it is written, another classifications of noun is whether they are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Another classification. Earlier we had studied different kind of classification, and here another classification means we will see that which nouns are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. यहाँ हम noun को अलग तरह से बांटेंगे दो separate categories में, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So if you are given a word and you are asked that what kind of noun is it, तो उसमें आपको काउंटेबल या अनकाउंटेबल नहीं बताना होता है. उसमें आपको बताना होता है कि वो कॉमन है, प्रॉपर, कलेक्टिव, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट की मटेरियल नाउन्स है. लेकिन अगर आपको स्पेसिफिकली पूछा जाता है कि ये काउंटेबल नाउन है या अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है, तब आप बताओगे काउंटेबल या अनकाउंटेबल. लाइक यस्टरडे, the day before, I asked some questions and some of you are giving me answers like countable, uncountable. No, if you are asked काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन कि ये वर्ड मैंने बोला बॉय, ये कौन सी तरह का नाउन है, देन यू हैव टू से इट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. यू विल नॉट से काउंटेबल नाउन दैट टाइम. काउंटेबल नाउन्स आर द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स, पीपल एक्सेट्रा दैट वी कैन काउंट. जिसे काउंट कर सकते हैं वो होते हैं काउंटेबल नाउन्स. दीज नाउन्स हैव देयर प्लूरल फॉर्म्स. We can have indefinite articles a or an before singular nouns as a cat, an egg, etc. Countable nouns वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं और जिनका सिंगुलर और प्लूरल बना सकते हैं. Like in this column you can see singular and plural two columns are there: boy, boys, cat, cats, dog, dogs, egg, eggs, fan, fans. Learn these columns. Now let us see uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the names of the things that we cannot count. They do not have their plural forms. We cannot use indefinite articles a or an before these nouns. Means uncountable nouns से पहले हम लोग a और an use नहीं करते हैं. Now see some examples like bread, gold, furniture, milk, oil, sugar, compassion, coverage, happiness, honesty, wisdom, jest. All these are examples of uncountable nouns. इन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं और इनका कोई प्लूरल फॉर्म भी नहीं होता है. Now we will do exercise A of this lesson. In this you have to read the following sentences and in the colored letter nouns are written. You have to find out whether they are common, proper, collective, abstract or material noun. Like in the first sentence, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Red letter Republic Day. Which noun is this?